Hello everyone, welcome to BackTech Product. In today's video, I will show you the best radio-controlled airplane. There's a special joy in watching something soar. If you love flying, precision, and hobby, this might be your next favorite. Let's get started. Product features. Impressive size and design. With its 900mm wingspan and nearly 1 meter body, this plane feels grand the moment you see it. Its sleek EDF jet styling isn't just for looks, it carries a sense of pride every time you launch it into the open sky. Powerful motor and flight specs. Equipped with a 2840 kV, 3150 motor, and 40 ASC, this RC airplane doesn't just fly, it responds. The thrust feels strong, the controls sharp, and every move becomes an extension of your hand. It's built for pilots who want to feel the sky come alive. Flaps, ailerons, and stability control. Flight should feel safe as well as thrilling. With full control surfaces, ailerons, vertical tail, and flaps, you'll notice smoother takeoffs, steadier landings, and graceful arcs. It gives you confidence, whether you're gliding gently or turning with power. Battery life and flight duration. Yes, flights last around 3 minutes on a 14.8V LiPo battery. But in those few minutes, you'll feel a rush of energy, speed, and height that makes time stretch. Every second feels rewarding, like capturing a perfect moment before it passes. Medium to high skill level and quick assembly. This plane is made for enthusiasts ready to grow. With just 10 minutes of assembly, you'll set up something that truly challenges you, but rewards you with control, balance, and finesse. It's a teacher and a partner in one. Pros. Beautiful, commanding design with aerodynamic stability. Strong motor plus ESC for powerful thrust and smooth handling. Flaps and ailerons create confidence in maneuverability. Quality build with quick, easy assembly. Exhilarating flight performance for hobbyists. Cons. Shorter flight time under full throttle. Best suited for intermediate to advanced flyers. No spare battery included, so extra investment helps. Needs enough open space for safe flying. Final thoughts. The FMS RC Futura Tomahawk isn't just a machine, it's an experience. It asks for skill, patience, and practice, but gives back something unforgettable, the freedom of flight. For those who love precision, power, and style, it's more than a toy. It's a way to connect with the sky. Flying is freedom, and this RC airplane brings that feeling right to your hands. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Product and like this video so you can discover more gear that inspires adventure. Thanks for being here. Fly high and fly with heart.